Gee, washing machine, how to get this tub apart or crack the tub nut. First you gotta get this auger out. You just pull up on it. You pull up on this thing, it's very stuck. It locks onto this piece. This piece. This slides on that, on the splines. And there's a 7/16 bolt on top. So you auger first, then the bolt, then this. This is very stuck though. You're gonna have to get under here on the edges and just keep on boom, boom, boom. Just keep on yanking up with your hands. Just be careful, but eventually it will come out. This is the proper removal tool for that. Should be. Yeah. And now I'm gonna hit that with a hammer and it should crack loose. It's 1 11/16. I got an impact socket. I'll probably fit that too. I use a soft plow. I'll link that. You can buy a similar wrench on Amazon. I'll link it. But now it's banging time. Off. I think it's reverse thread. So hit it this way, but you have to hold it at the same time, or else it's gonna jump off. And this baby is on there, so I'm not gonna be able to record it. So hold this side with your hand. Hit over here. Try to go out the outer edge as you can because you have more torque, obviously. And it should crack it loose. If not, I got an impact socket. And don't pinch your thumb. Dangerous. I think I'm just going to use the impact socket because I have it. This thing's rusted on there pretty damn good. The other option is you can split it with a chisel. That thing's rusted, dude. I see it there. Rusted. It's coming off. I need the snap-on hammer. 24 ounce. Yeah, it's coming off slowly. It's on there very, very tight. This is like 150 foot-pounds on this nut. I might torque it because I have a socket now when I put it back together. It's coming off though slowly. Just keep on repositioning your wrench because this whole thing's gonna go as you're hammering it. Keep tension on it and just keep on repositioning your wrench because obviously this turns into a comfortable spot, and then keep on hitting it. Tripod, what? I think that's as good as it's gonna get. So hold it. Hello. Oh, wrong hammer. This one wasn't working. It's soft blow. I was hoping it was gonna work and not bang up my tool, but keep going like this. Back. It's going. It's moving. And it's a pain in the ass, but it'll come off. Try not to dent your drum too. I put I just put a couple dings on it on the other side. I'll try to knock them out. You go deaf too. You get the idea. A lot of hammering. That's just too hot out here. Look, impact socket fits on it. I'm just doing this. And that's a 3/4 inch, so I have to get an adapter for it to 1/2 inch. And then you can't get your impact gun. You gotta zoom out. You can't get your impact gun in there. So you gotta put a crazy long extension on it too. With the socket. Yeah, it comes off. That's the way to go. Then you won't blood blister your hand and everything else. Won't be beating yourself up. Use power tools. And there's the nut, nice and hot. Then use like 2 little screws on the top corners. And you gotta get, where is it? Hold on. Where the tripods suck. This thing you gotta get out. This was replaced though, so it has wire nuts on it. See, this whole piece just comes right out. And then you can get, I can pull this whole thing out now. This is just wire nutted though on, so I'll just get this off. Yeah, impact is the way to go. Maybe I'll link a one and a cheap one. I got a snap-on one. I spent this for the snap-on one though, the same price. You could get a cheap-on one though. Cheap one rather. I'm the man. And tool deals. Tool deals. Find it all. God damn, my thumb is really messed up from that blood blister. Hold on, let's get this thing. What did this guy do last time? This has been apart multiple times by multiple people. I'm taking it apart. Just recording. See, this thing comes right off now. What else is on? Oh, we got some tube thing, I think, holding it on. No, these wires are still holding it on. Why? There we go. I don't want to wreck my lid switch. I don't need a new lid switch. I don't want to buy that. So, now you just snap this. Well, these things got to come off. A little support things, and then you can snap this off and undo your 4 supports. Alright, now there's these 5/16 on those little things. There's just little clips around here. Just go around, take all your clips off. You can get this piece off, and then the drum is under that. You go around, find each one. Yeah, some of these things